My wife and I have embarked on the most noble endeavor to visit all the state parks in our home state of Tennessee. So come along with us on our journey and enjoy the trip.
Campsite 13, Cumberland Mountain. Hold on now, I don't have anything for you. Here's a kayak and canoe rentals. We rented a canoe there this morning. And it's $8 an hour for either a kayak or a canoe. Or it's like, I think, $24 for the day. Either way, not bad. That's the Mill House Lodge. Which makes me think, although I haven't confirmed this, that maybe that was a mill way back in the day. So you want to go under the bridge first? There's a big old, is that a fish or a turtle? It's a turtle.
I got it.
They probably have muskrat. Wonder if they have otters. Beaver. Do we have otters in Tennessee? My butt is. Everything else is good. My arms might hurt tonight, tomorrow.
Down that way.
Yeah.